Currently reading Just Kids here, and I'm wearing like a very comfy outfit. I did not give you guys an outfit check. Hi guys, so welcome to my first ever vlog, and we are in Auroville, Pondicherry in Ghost Stops. I just checked in. It's currently 6 something, 6:15 a.m. something like that. I'm excited. Let's see what we can do today. Yes. So the plan is कि हम cafes घूमेंगे पहले, cafe hopping करेंगे, and then we will go to White Town, which is in Pondicherry, not Auroville. And वहाँ पे जाके we can like see the market over there, see the beach, the rock beach over there, and then we can come back to Auroville. So अभी इतना ही plan है. Let's see आगे क्या होता है. We are at the beach. So I have changed and everything, but we still did not get our room. The Ghost Stops manager was kind enough to like give us a dorm bed. I changed. Yeah, that's the issue with the dorm. So I'm gonna change and like get dressed here, and we will get our room by 1 today because that is the check-in time. But the good part is that I actually got the access to Maitri Mandir, and I'll be visiting that, the inner chamber, tomorrow. But unfortunately, I can't take you guys along because that is like a no phone zone. So I'm like really excited for that, and let's do makeup. Hi, so I have come to my favorite cafe. I have been coming here since the past 3 years, and it's my first stop always when I'm in Pondicherry, Auroville, and it's called Coffee Break. And this is the first time I'm tasting their cold brew because I've recently developed a taste for cold brews. This is pretty like average because it's a basic cold brew, not a flavored one. I usually prefer a flavored one. So I've got my coffee. I'm waiting for my food order, and I'm currently reading Just Kids by Patti Smith. So let's see. Hi guys. So right now we are at White Town, Pondicherry. Auroville से Pondicherry आ चुकी हूँ मैं, and the plan for today is to eat in a cafe in White Town, and then after that we will go back to Auroville and find like a dessert place there itself. And abhi we are also going to go and do some window shopping because I've already shopped a lot in Pondicherry. Every time, whenever I'm here, I tend to shop a lot. So I'll show you what all I see here. Super hot in Pondi. Like I was expecting it to be more hotter, but right now it's not that hot, but it is hot. So I have tied my hair and I'm wearing like a very comfy outfit. I did not give you guys an outfit check. This is what my outfit is looking like today. I'm not wearing any earrings because I went with silver, and I was unfortunately not carrying any silver jewelry with me, and the gold ones that I had were not giving, so I ended up not wearing anything. But yeah, let's go and eat. I'm actually hungry now. Guys, I'm so sorry. This is my first time vlogging, and because of the heat here, I was like really drowned in sweat. We were in White Town, and while we were at the cafes, I completely forgot to vlog. And I will attach some pictures though of the food that we had there. We went to two cafes. One was Cherry Pond, I think. I don't remember exactly. And Cherry Pond was very good because we tried something very new, and that was tempura garlic, and it tasted so good. Like it was like the best chakna that I've ever had in my life. And with that, yeah, I think that's all that we had there. And in the next place, which is called Anthe, and I think that's pretty famous in White Town. And even though I've been to White Town for like so many times, but I never ended up trying that place. And it was on the expensive side, but it was so good, and it was worth every penny because we had two things over there. One was mushroom dim sums, and one was a picante sort of a drink. Both were crazy good. And now that I'm back, I can think of all the food that I've had. I completely forgot to tell you guys about it, so this is the recap. And I'm gonna try and do better next time, not let the heat get to me. Other than that, I was not expecting Pondi to be so hot during these months because July is comparatively cooler. And matlab, it was kind of better in the evening, but while we were walking, we were sweating like shit, man. It was so hot. And even though I was wearing like a normal cotton tee and shorts, it was so freaking hot. So you can imagine the months like March and April would be like horrible. So that's all for today. I think I'm going to end this vlog, but I'll see you guys in the next one, and I'm gonna try and do better. Okay? See you. Bye bye.